So the question is tan a upon 1 plus tan square a square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot a cot square a square is equals to sin a into cos a. So we have to prove that left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay, so let's start. Let's write down left hand side first. Left hand side is equals to tan a upon 1 plus tan square a the whole square plus cot a upon 1 plus cot square a the whole square. Okay, so here we have to use the identity, that is 1 plus tan square a is equals to sec square a and 1 plus cot square a is equals to cosec square a. So यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में हम ये दोनों आइडेंटिटीज यूज कर सकते हैं. So what it will become? So it will become tan a upon 1 plus tan square a की जगह पर हम sec square a लिख देंगे, sec square a and then raised to का square because one more square is here, right? So now again cot a upon it will become cosec square a the whole square. Okay, now let's solve further. In place of tan a we can write down sin upon cos, sin a upon cos a divided by sec raised to 4a. This 2 into 2 will become 4, so we can write it as sec into 4a plus cot is basically cos a upon sin a upon again cosec raised to 4a. Okay, yeah. Now ये cos नीचे आ जाएगा और ये साइन भी नीचे आ जाएगा. सो ये हो जाएगा sin a upon cos a into sec raised to 4a plus cos a upon sin a into cosec raised to 4a. अब क्या होगा sin a upon हमको पता है कि sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta or cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. So in place of cosec and sec we can use these two identities. So it will be cos a sec raised to 4a की जगह पे हम लिख देंगे 1 by cos raised to 4a plus cos a upon sin a into cosec raised to 4a की जगह पे हम लिख देंगे 1 upon sin raised to 4a. अब यहाँ पे जो भी कैंसिल होता है उसे कैंसिल करिए. cos a एक cos कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे साइन में भी एक साइन कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अभी हमारे पास क्या बचता है sin a upon 1 upon cos raised to cube a plus cos a upon 1 upon sin raised to cube a. Now we know how to solve it. This sin will go up and this cos will also go up. So it will become sin a into cos raised to 3a plus cos a into sin raised to 3a. So यहाँ से हम एक साइन और एक cos को कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. दोनों में ही साइन और cos है. सो एक साइन और एक कॉस हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए, और ब्रैकेट में क्या बचेगा, साइन स्क्वायर ए प्लस cos square a, and that is equals to sin a into cos a, because sin square a plus cos square a, that is equals to 1. So this is our right hand side. If you go back to the question, what we have to prove? We have to prove that this left hand side is equals to sin a into cos a. So we got it. We got the final answer. Here it's right hand side, hence proved.